Welcome everybody. I am Mohammad Masud Akhtar, representing the Department of School Education and working as a member of the Expert Committee on School Education, Government of West Bengal. Dear teachers, today we are going to discuss on the general guidelines about the bridge material of the subject history for classes 9 and 10. Respected teachers, we all are aware that due to COVID-19 pandemic situation, our schools were closed for the students. Classes has been suspended for more than 1.5 years. Normal teaching learning process was affected badly. As a result, there may be some learning gaps, there may be some problems, there may be some deficiencies. To overcome these learning gaps, these problems, these deficiencies, Department of School Education has taken numbers of initiatives. Bridge material is the latest addition in this list. The bridge materials will act as an accelerated learning package for the students. This material will help to minimize the learning gaps created due to prolonged physical absence in the school during the pandemic times. The bridge materials will be used for all the students at least over a period of 100 days. The bridge materials intend to focus on the learning outcomes of the previous 2 sessions. Some part of the material contains foundation study content. Respected teachers, in the bridge material for class 9, topics are taken from class 7 and class 8, that is medieval India and modern India. You can find 2 types of contents there: connecting matters and foundation study content. Nationalism, democracy, these contents are taken as bridge or connecting matters. Sufism, Bhaktism, crisis and decline of Mughal Empire, colonial education policy, these topics are taken as foundation. Dear teachers, you can find similarities between the classes 8 and 10 because these 2 classes were based on modern Indian history, but the approaches are different. History of class 9 is based on Europe, and you know class 10 is based on India, but the students must know the history of Europe. So, you can find a chapter named Transformation of Europe, and last chapter is named Glimpses of Modern Europe, Revolt of 1857, Resistance and Revolution, Partition and India after independence. These topics are taken as connecting or bridge matters. Colonial education policy, religious reformation, social reformation, role of Mahatma Gandhi in Indian national movement, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and Indian National Army. These topics are also taken as connecting or bridge matters. You will find sample questions in bridge material. There are different types of questions, it will help to evaluate the students. That is all. Thank you.